Now ready, second time. Jim Sunderland.
Yeah.
Mr Deputy Speaker, thank you very much for calling me. We've heard much about the bill already. I don't want to go into the detail of the bill, but what I do want to do is to commend my honourable friend from Stroud. I mean, she's a really outstanding MP. Fantastic champion for her constituency, and what she's done in this place in our short time since 2019 for families and family law is really amazing. So a massive well done and thank you. It's a no-brainer, this bill. It's a very easy one to support. I know the government's supporting it, so I won't talk for very long at all. But I said that I would support it this morning, and I'm absolutely delighted too. The bit that really interests me about this bill is where DWP agrees that a person has failed to pay an amount of child support maintenance, and a deduction from earnings has not been possible or is not appropriate. Therefore, what this bill does, it enables DWP to make a liability order in respect of that amount against the person. So there's an element here of coercion that we haven't seen before, and I think it's absolutely justified. The bit that really matters is under direct pay. So where a parent does not pay their liability in full and on time, the person with care, so-called, should inform the Child Maintenance Service or take swift action to move the case to collect and pay to enforce payment. So without a court order, the Child Maintenance Service may collect arrears, as we know, through a deduction from earnings order, a deduction from earnings request, or a deduction order. But the bit that I really like is with a court-obtained liability order, the Child Maintenance Service may instruct bailiffs to take control of goods and apply to the court for an order of sale of an asset once registered with the court. Well, why is this so important? Well, it's really important because we've seen over the years so many cases of absent parents, errant parents, non-resident parents who have an obligation to provide for their children, but that doesn't happen. And I can tell you from experience that constituents in Bracknell come and see me all the time for help in chasing these absent, errant or non-resident parents, and I feel their angst. So I can now at least reassure them that the law is being tightened, that non-resident parents can now be held to account much more forcefully, and that means now exist whereby they will be forced to make good. So this is absolutely a step in the right direction. I commend my honourable friend for all the work that she's doing, and I fully support the bill. Thank you very much.
Laura Farris.
Speaker, I'm going to